Oi, taxi boy. Oi, taxi boy. Taxi boy. Oi, taxi boy. That's why I like take my bus them, you know. Taxi boy. The man you know here, you know. Taxi driver boy, you know your man I call you. Driver boy. You know me as a driver from long time.
I working on a chicken me jerking.
One thing more ask you, you can't say.
So how me I drive?
Driver, don't stop at all. I roast taxi man this me ever say. Are you really working? Because if you were working, I hear the man say taxi, and I run you down. You know how I make the money, brother. And then you have audacity. Jamaicans are easy, you know. You can't see. Then how me I drive? It's a IT and Fancy Cat show video. Let's laugh, watch, and enjoy. Turn it around. And of course, this video is courtesy of IT and Fancy Cat Show. You can go check out their channel here on YouTube, which is called the IT and Fancy Cat Show. Now, let's enjoy.
Reggie, hold on. Where you go?
Drop me up here, sir.
How far? Up here, sir? Alright.
From morning, me out here wait for a taxi.
Tell your story.
Up the road.
Alright.
Hi, Brownie, how are you today?
How far?
Right, sir, right, sir.
Right, sir?
Yeah. Right, sir.
Right, sir? Wait, hold on there. You really make me drive from desert to here, sir? You know, it's a walking distance that my youth.
I'm a passenger, you know. I check
passenger what? Reggie, I talk about real passenger what?
I'm not talk to you, no. Hi, Browning. I'm not talk to you.
Reggie, babe.
Me soon come.
So come, move on my money.
Me soon pay you.
I want to this brother, yeah, man.
Big ugly driver. Now, 10 mackerel you eat. Go pay you.
I'm going to pick up the cat, you know. I'm going to get a decent for you, man. Mad man, you can take.
You don't talk about man check now already till next month.
Pay me now.
You want the vex?
Yeah, my boss. Sell all my money.
The vex, hold on. The vex. The boss, I said the check now already till next month.
So what? So who are going to pay me for all of them time when we waste now?
Let me drop you back, go down the road.
Drive, go where?
I'm quit out everything. You're fooling.
The man say, let me drive you back, go up the road. In my car, waste more of my time and squid out back the money. Tell me now if this real.
Hello, welcome to another Hello Pastor. I am Dr. Rumas. Tonight we're going to touch on a subject very interesting. The bickering still continues. Jamaica 50, we're not growing. People calling people gentlemen. Something fishy is going on there. I don't know. Oh boy. All kind of men in Parliament. Want to talk about love tonight. Love is in the air, you know. So that's my topic tonight. Well, let me see. I think there's the lights on the keyboard is blinking. Let me take a call. Hello?
Hello, good night, Pastor.
Hello, welcome to the program.
I need your help badly.
What? Arthritis? Sugar? Pressure?
No, Pastor. A piece of loneliness taking me over. Been lonely for many years now, and I don't think I can take it any longer, you know.
Is that right?
My husband dead 20 years now, and I need a young captain man with muscle. A long time I don't get no muscle, you know, Pastor.
Really? Listen, well, you said you need a strong man, like, are you Usain Bolt?
No, Pastor. You see it pop down, man.
Really?
I want to Granny. Granny say Usain Bolt pop down. She want a man with muscles. What if Granny want me? Because me like old, I like mature women, you know. I like mature women. Mature women give less headache and they been through them bad phase already. They have 100 boyfriend in their 20s. Now they ready for settle down and then chill. And they have some money too. Let's hear what kind of boyfriend grandma wants, since you know you seen, but you want a man with muscle, not a man with money. Cause granny husband dead years ago, you know. You know it's a grandmother, they have life insurance for the husband there, you know. Plus the 401k and the money that grandfather they put on fixed deposit. What? Get your grandma, sir.
Muscle big, you know, but him have grind problem. I
Oh.
want a man
my.
with the energy. I want the peace. Johan Blake.
Oh.
Fi him think turn up, you know, pastor.
Yes,
But see
yes.
muscle them.
Well,
See
caller,
muscle them woulda
caller,
do me well.
control yourself, caller. How old are you, ma'am?
69.
Oh my, what an age. I can't even call you a cougar, cause you're way past that age, you know, ma'am. Listen, do you go to church?
Yes, pastor, me hold but me no cold. And I don't want no more hold, man.
Listen.
They muscle too spongy.
You can do the dirty wine.
Pastor, them sitting there a long time sitting, man. I broke it down around the place, you know. And
what?
I can broke it down very good.
Really?
Ah, you're so nice.
Caller, listen, caller, control yourself, caller. You are spending too many time at friction and you know, squad and tableau and those places, you know, ma'am. You know what I mean? Good men cannot be found there. I have never seen a good man at tableau. Never.
Pastor.
Huh?
Tableau.
What
you doing there?
What?
Oh, sir.
Listen, caller. I have never been to tableau on a Tuesday. I mean, well. Listen, caller. Ma'am.
Wait, Pastor, you know easy at all, you know.
Caller?
I wonder if I can get a job up at that tableau place there.
Listen.
Maybe I can meet someone.
Listen, caller. Rubbish.
Pastor, where do a taboo? Then Pastor, clarify it. I only go to taboo on Tuesday night. I tell fancy cat, I will write the script. Hey, on the road, you know, man. Then I want a woman know Asaf have grind problem. Grandma 69, what a number, what a age. Anyway, this is a quick one. Click, flick. Hope you like it. If you like it, like it. If you like it, share it. If you like it, comment what you like about it. And if you like it, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. And as always, stay safe and God bless.